Are you a teen aged 13 to 19? Are you a resident of Canada? Can you travel to Toronto on August 22, 2026? Are you excited about edge devices and the future of AI? Do you want to make a real impact in the world? If your answer is yes, then this is for you. GenZ CanHack 2026 by Kids for Kids Toronto Coding Club is now open for registrations. This program includes over 40 hours of mentorship, both virtual and in person. You'll be supported by more than 20 experienced professionals as you design and build innovative solutions, like robotics projects addressing real-world challenges such as smart garbage management in cities like Toronto. Bring your ideas to life, register, and compete for exciting prizes including a $1,000 cash award, trophy, and certificate. Opportunities like this don't come often. Learn, build, and compete with full guidance along the way. Don't miss out. Register now and take the first step toward making an impact in your community and beyond. You're more capable than you think. This is your chance to discover your potential.